Welcome to Pharma Lesson Masterclass. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to create your free account and start learning in just a few simple steps. Open your web browser and visit courses.pharmalesson.com. From the homepage, click the Register button located at the top of the page. Complete the registration form by entering your first name, last name, username, email address, and a secure password. Then confirm your password. Read the terms and conditions, then check the box to confirm your agreement before continuing. Click the Register button to create your account. You can also choose Sign in with Google below the Register button, for even faster registration if you prefer. Once your account is ready, browse hundreds of pharmacy courses across pharmaceutical manufacturing, regulatory affairs, quality assurance, pharmaceutical development, licensure exam preparation, and many more categories. Choose the course that matches your learning goals. Click Enroll course for free courses or Buy now for premium courses to begin your learning journey. After clicking Buy now, you will be taken to the checkout page. Enter your billing address, click Pay Now, and then provide your payment details. We support a variety of payment methods, including PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, UPI, and many more. Register today and take the next step toward advancing your pharmacy knowledge and career with Pharma Lesson Masterclass.